Well, good afternoon, YouTube family. How are you? I want to first and foremost welcome you to the Dynamic Expressions channel. It is Wednesday afternoon. My name is Wendy, and I help women who are lacking in energy, no motivation, and really are just tired all the time and know that they want to do something but just aren't sure how. And honestly, that's one of the reasons why I created this channel, and all of these episodes are because I was there. I experienced having no energy. My health was compromised. I was eating a ton of processed foods and just really, truly tired all the time, and really was very down on myself actually, because there were so many things I knew I wanted to do and that I just really couldn't do because my body wouldn't allow it. So you know what, if the changes that I made in my life helped me, there's a possibility it may help you too. One requirement is it's going to require you to make small changes, implement small changes into your life each and every day that are going to help you to improve that lifestyle, that healthy lifestyle that you're actually looking to achieve. So today's topic, we're actually going to be talking about some ways to incorporate more superfoods into your diet. So there's really no true definition for superfoods, although I'm sure there's several things out there on social media about superfoods. But, when you think about superfoods, I believe that, in my opinion, most experts are going to agree that our diet has a dramatic impact on our well-being. So whole foods that are really low in calories and high in nutrients can help you to lose weight. It's going to really avoid illness in your life. You're going to live longer, which really sounds pretty awesome, right? When you think about it. I know I am looking for longevity in my life, and you know what? We let's face it, if you want a quick fix, absolutely, there's quick fixes out there. But if you want a lifelong change and a healthy lifestyle, then you really do need to implement things into your life. So, you know what, let's face it, it can be really difficult to make healthy choices all the time, especially if you've grown used to processed foods that are really fast and tasty. I get it. There was a long time I much rather would have stopped at a burger joint and, had that burger and fries, rather than kale and salmon. That just wasn't something that I really wanted to do, and it just didn't even sound delicious to me. But the truth is, whole foods actually really can be very delicious and very convenient. So let's talk about this. Okay, so blend in your superfoods. So make substitutions. Okay, so adjust your recipes, make those adjustments for your favorite dishes. Replace some of the cheese and lasagna with sliced tofu. Okay, if you don't like tofu, then look for a less fattening or fat-free cheese that you can replace in your lasagna. Your chili. Replace the sour cream for a yogurt, a fat-free Greek yogurt I always recommend, or, and if you need a little bit of flavor, you can always put those fresh herbs into the fat-free yogurt, cilantro, a little bit of cumin, and it's really going to make a vibrant dish and a good sour cream substitution. Okay, so number 2 is chop it up. So maybe you dislike the taste or texture of some foods. I know that I am a very finicky, very picky eater. I have been since I actually was a little girl. But you know what? Your taste buds will be surprised when you puree cauliflower. You may discover a new fondness for it. And really, cauliflower's come such a long way now when you think about it. You have rice cauliflower. There's so many recipes out there for cauliflower bakes, just cauliflower fried rice. There's a limitless amount of cauliflower recipes out there, and that's just an example. So drink a smoothie, okay? So if you're having trouble with eating vegetables, then you know what? Then make a glass of vegetables, okay? There's so many ways to consume a smoothie and have a variety of whole foods, really, that are going to help you to meet your nutritional needs every day. Okay, spread on your superfoods. Okay, so eat breakfast. Okay, and what I mean, I'm sorry, spread out your superfoods. Okay, so one, eat breakfast. So, you know what, if you wait till the afternoon to start eating superfoods, you're going to run out of time. Really, you're going to have a lack of energy. Okay, so start your morning with breakfast, and you know what, instead of eating that muffin, or a sugary cereal, or a bean burrito, try yogurt with berries and nuts, or, you know, try maybe a couple hard-boiled eggs with some fresh fruit. Grapefruit is really a great way. You know, you can have almond butters. I mean, like I said, there's so many ways to incorporate superfoods into your diet every day. So redesign your snacks. Okay, so let's just say you are working in a, you know, like in an office environment, or even if you're at home. Let's face it, I mean, when you're home, you open your pantry and what do you see, right? What do you buy and what is in your pantry? So the vending machines at work are full of chips and candy, and sometimes in our pantry, you know, there's just the same. So, you know, make the swap. Okay, so bring your own snacks to work if you do go into a office setting. Keep a jar of almond butter in the refrigerator for spreading on apple slices or whole wheat crackers. Or there's a lot of gluten-free crackers out there now, gluten-free breads that you can put with almond butter, which is just such a great way, rather than peanut butter, which I love peanut butter, but again, it's a swap. Okay, so start with appetizers. So is number 3. Appetizers can work just as well for everyday dining as they do for restaurants and parties. So make a simple meal feel more special by starting out with a spinach and avocado salad or a black bean soup, okay, or a salad. Eat a salad prior to a meal, because the truth is you're going to be fuller, and you're not going to eat as much when you get your you know, dinner or lunch, or, you know, whatever it is that you know, you're eating as your main meal. Number 4 is multiply your sides. So who says that you can only have one serving of vegetables? Really? Why not have vegetables as your main course? Dish out a variety of fresh or frozen produce. It's going to encourage you to eat more. All right. Other strategies for eating superfoods. Set goals, okay? Have you been thinking about eating healthier for a long time without seeing much progress? Well, maybe you need to think about this, and you need to set more specific targets. All right, you can aim for including at least one superfood in each meal, or eating one additional superfood each day for a week. Okay, so start with goals. Number 2, start small. Your goals can be challenging without being overwhelming. Okay, so maybe you'd look forward to sprinkling cinnamon instead of sugar into your coffee. Okay. Number 3 is roast it. Roast vegetables. Roasting vegetables is so easy, and the results are dramatic. Okay, cut them up evenly. If you don't want to cut them up evenly, you don't have to. You know what? Just get them into the stir fry. Get them into your roasting pan, and let them cook. And you know what? They'll be nice and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Perfect. You know, you can put a little balsamic with salt and pepper, or lime and lemon, and it's just amazing the flavors that will come out of those roasted vegetables. All right, number 4 is add fats and seasoning. So a drizzle of extra virgin oil with a little bit of grated Parmesan can make you want to finish the whole bowl of steamed broccoli. Okay, and you know what? For a variety, experiment with all of the different spices and seasonings that you have. Okay, you're going to be surprised. Okay, so, and then number 5 is simplify it. Okay, so superfoods can be just as fast as a burger and fries. Okay, grill the fish, stir fry the chicken, and bok choy in minutes. Okay. Whether you're trying to break the fast food habit, or you're already eating a balanced diet, adding a few more superfoods into your daily menu is truly going to help you feel more energized and fit. And you're going to want to eat more whole foods the more you realize how fast and delicious they can be. And they are, because the more you're eating, you know, the truth is your body is just saying, yes, I need these nutrients. And, you know, the truth is we live in a country that is just, it's horrible with the amount of processed foods that are out there, and I get it, it's all for convenience, but you know, we've got to come to a realization that, you know, if we are what we eat, right? You know, I mean, we are what we eat in our mind. So, you know, it's the same thing that applies to food. So, you know what? These are my 12 ways of sneaking more superfoods into your diet and your everyday living. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Always subscribe. Wednesday and Saturdays, we are here, always providing tips, strategies, and resources for you. I want to thank you for tuning in today, and make it a great day. We'll see you on Saturday. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Bye.